Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, for those of you that have watched the past videos I've done, I've talked time and time again about 73.50 as that level of support, and 8,200 the level of resistance, or in other words, the sideways channel that had formed. But since the last video update I did, markets got crazy and Bitcoin followed suit. And this 4-hour session here, just a total collapse from up above 7,000 to actually down below 5,000, or excuse me, down below 6,000, all in a 4-hour period. Now the price is currently trying to get back above that 6,000 mark. But overall, big crashes happen, so adjustments need to be made. So let's just use that 15-hour number. And let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one you need to ask yourself is, where's the price at relative to 5,700? 5,700 is important because that's essentially where the bottom finally came into play. Now, yes, I realize the price did, technically speaking, go back down there, but just generally speaking, the price ultimately found some support right there before getting the bounce that's currently occurring at the time of the recording. So like I said, basic question, where's the price at relative to 5,700? If you're saying, well, Clay, it's 15 hours from your upload and now the price is back down below 5,700, well, that just tells you that this current little miniature bounce right here was just basically a dead cat bounce, and now things have rolled back over. Now, how nasty of a situation is it? Well, the further down below 5,700 the price is, the more bearish the situation has become. So that's a very forward way to look at it. Like I said, nothing fancy at all. Just the further down below 5,700, the more bearish. Now, maybe you say, well, Clay, the price is actually still up above 5,700. At that point, you would want to ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this level down here, or excuse me, up here at 7,150? And that's an area where I highly doubt the price is going to be up above there. But then again, we're in some very volatile times. But if somehow you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually up above 7,150, that would just be telling you that not only did this bounce occur right here, right now, but it actually built that much more momentum and was able to get all the way up there. And then finally, maybe it's just saying, well, Clay, the price is below 7,150, but up above 5,700. So the price is somewhere between those levels. At that point, consolidation would be the best word to use at that moment in time. But overall, crazy movement. Keep your eye on these levels, especially the 5,700 mark, because that's really going to help, tell whether or not this is some sort of bottom forming or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.